In this video, we're going to learn about operators in JavaScript. Just create new files called operators. Okay, just create HTML5 structure. Okay, there are some operators in JavaScript. Just like in any other programming language, basically every programming language has operator. The first one is the arithmetic operators, and then comparison operators, and then logical operators, and also assignment operators. The last one is ternary operators. Okay, first I'll explain the first one, arithmetic operators. It's just like a basic arithmetic operators, like maybe the plus one for try. Just open our file in the browser, open console via inspect element. Okay, you can see this is 6, and then maybe and the minus operator. Okay, and then the multiplication operator, and then division operator, and then modulo, and then the plus plus operator, and then the minus minus operator. You can try to print all of this. Okay, FF is not defined. Okay, so this is the arithmetic operators in JavaScript. Basically, every programming language has the same kind of operators, these arithmetic operators. Okay, maybe this looks strange for some of you. Maybe this is your first time to learn programming language. This plus plus means that the value of this variable will be increased by 1. No, like this is 2, increased to 3, and then this minus minus is the value of f is minus by 1. Okay, next is comparison operators. There are some comparison operators in JavaScript, just like any other language. The first one is maybe we can try the equal. This equal operator, you can see this is false because A and B is different. And then we can try next. Comparison operators is with triple equal. So what does this mean? It means that JavaScript will also type check the variable. So maybe, for example, like the 2 is true, and then 2 with string 2 is also true, but it will give the false value when you compare it with 3 equal. So the first one is you compare a 2 value without the type check, and then if you compare a value with 3 equals, it means JavaScript will do the type check for those value. Okay, next is not equal, false. Okay, and then we can also do something like this. So it's just the same as before. The double equal will do a type check, and then the single equal will not do the type check. And then the next is 2 is bigger than 3, so false. And then the next one is 2 is less than 3. So in modern JavaScript, you don't have to put semicolon in your last syntax in every line. It will not throw an error. And then the next kind of operator is a logical operators, something like this. True and true is true. True and false is false. So this is AND operator. And then the next one is OR operator. So this is AND and this is OR. And the next one is NOT. So if you want to negate the value, like this true, this is not, so it should be false. Okay, this is logical operators. The next one is assignment operators. So assignment operator is like when you want to do something like this, like for example, if we have variable a and we want to change the value of a, maybe a is equal to a plus 1. Okay, it should be 7. But instead of doing something like this, we can use assignment operator. So the code will be like this. Okay, so this code is equal to a plus 1. So it also work with another operator like the minus or multiplication or division or modulo. So it will work with this assignment operator will work with all of these arithmetic operators. Okay, the next one is ternary operator. So we can do something like this, like maybe if we want to change the value of a based on some condition, and we can do something like this using if, that I will explain it later. If a is more than 10, is less than 10, the value of a is changed to b. Okay, so the value of a is changed to b. But instead of doing something like this, we can use ternary operator. So the code will be like this. If a is less than 10, the value of a is gonna be b. But if the value is more than 10, the value will be still a. Okay. So it is same with the if. So if the value of a is less than 10, the value of a will be b. If the value of a is more than 10, and then the value of a will be still a. So this is the ternary operators. Okay, enough for operators for JavaScript. Let's go to the next video.